Ubah persetujuan tensong sembut menang ba kejala bat mopat ya kakam kum chairman ka high level committee kabayip nya bantau kilat kilanti ban pynkynriah iki briew Them Ïewmawlong uloong ba tnad urban affairs kampat aiti ki blueprint nak banta kate ke jingkmu uloong ba dang sudep isong perkhat ba menteri tnad urban affairs bat uloong ba dang pynkynriah sai halo ka blueprint uloong ba sarkar kadang pan susu iki jaka ba tnad urban klasim jing itu ban pynkynriah iki briew hadien ke jingterwa ban pynkynriah sa RPCS hospital hamau ba.
No, right now, no update yet. But I think from the Urban Affairs Department, they are working out. Still, they are yet to bring me all the blueprint or the papers right now. Because the other day, I've already sat with the Honorable Minister, Urban Affairs. He's still working out about this. Because the blueprint means like this. Number one, the priority is to identify more places where to relocate our friends from Harijan colony. So that responsibility has been entrusted to Urban Affairs Department to identify more places. One place has been identified, that is TB hospital. Then again, number 2, number 3, number 4 is to be identified by the Urban Affairs Department. So once that is done, so they'll come and meet me, and then again we will discuss. And once that is done, then I will invite them for again talk. From the Urban Affairs Department, they identified one. So again, we have asked them to identify more than one, maybe 3, 4, 5. So let us wait till they identified all the options. So once that is done, then only I'll be able to tell you exactly where are the places to relocate our brothers and sisters from the Harijan colony. Well, we identified one place, and then they have already shown the resentment, no doubt about it. That's why I'm telling you, we just wait and see first. Till the Urban Affairs Department identified more places. Once they identified 4 or 5 places, then we will sit down as government and will take decision accordingly. Leave it to the wisdom of the government. Once the responsibility of Urban Affairs is completed, once the proposal again reach my table, then accordingly we will work out and we'll make sure that solution has to happen at any cost.